Coffee goes cold on the nightstand, screen glow painting the wall. News feed spinning like a siren makes everything feel so small. Then you jump up on my chest, whiskers tick my chin. The room shrinks down to your heartbeat and the slow rise of my skin. A purr is a quiet engine holding the world together. Tiny ribs, tiny paws, stronger than stormy weather. In the dark, in the ache, when it all feels like forever. Your purr is a quiet engine holding my world together. Bills stacked under the magnet, red dates circling the week. My mind races through the worst case till your tail brushes my sleep. You curl up into a question mark right where my heart caves in, and that low soft rumble answers, what if this is enough again? Tiny paws, stronger than stormy weather. In the dark, in the ache, when it all feels like forever. Your purr is a quiet engine holding my world together. Maybe all the giant things are hanging by these gentle strings. Quiet engine holding the world together. Tiny ribs, tiny paws, stronger than stormy weather. In the dark, in the ache, when it all feels like forever. Your purr is a quiet